Okay, so question number 8 we have is, let the parabola y is equal to x square plus px minus 3 meet the coordinate axis at the point PQR if the circle C with center minus 1 comma minus 1, right, passes through the point PQR, then the area of the triangle PQR we have to find, right? So first draw the coordinate axis. If we draw the coordinates, rough diagram I am drawing, right? And y is equal to x square plus px, so obviously it will look like something like this. Something like this it will look like, correct? This is the equation of the parabola. Then we have at the point PQR, right? So PQR, so this point is obviously what? Here the x coordinate is 0, so in the equation if I'll put y is equal to x square plus px minus 3 at x is equal to 0, if I put x is equal to 0, this will become 0, this will become 0, so y will become what? Minus 3. So this point is obviously what? 0 comma minus 3. So let's suppose this point as, if I assume this point as P, this point as Q, and this point as R. So one of the point we got, one of the coordinates we got 0 comma minus 3. Now the task is to find this P and Q. So obviously at this point y is 0, right? So y is 0 if I can put, and also they are saying if the circle C with center minus 1 comma 1 passes through PQR, right? So one more equation we can get, the circle is passing through the center minus 1 comma 1. So we know that kind of equation, that x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square is equal to r square. So in this case it will become what? X plus 1 whole square plus y plus 1 whole square is equal to r square, and r square value we don't have. Okay, so in this place I can put x is equal to, since it is passing through r, so r coordinate if I'll put, it will become what? 1 plus minus 3 plus 1, this will become 2, this will become 4, right, is equal to r square. So r square is equal to what? 5. R square will become 5. Now again I will write the equation, x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square is equal to r square, and this time since we have the value of 5, so I can put here 5. I can put here the r value as 5. Now the coordinates which will put is same coordinate, x plus 1 whole square plus y plus 1 whole square is equal to 5. Now this place, right, if I'll put y is equal to 0, let's suppose I put here y is equal to 0, what will happen? If I'll put y is equal to 0, then what is the equation I will get? For y is equal to 0 for this point, actually P and Q. At both places y is equal to 0, so I can put here x plus 1 whole square, and y I am putting here 0 for P and Q, right? So this will become 1 is equal to 5, and from here I can write x plus 1 whole square is equal to, x plus 1 whole square is equal to 4, and I can write x plus 1 is equal to 2, and I can write here plus minus 2, sorry, and this will become x is equal to, if I take plus 2 it will become 3, it will become minus 2 minus 2 minus 1 minus 3, and if I take 2 2 minus 1 1. Okay, so x coordinate we get is minus 3, and so obviously this will become what? Minus 3 comma 0, and this point will become what? This will become 1 comma 0. Now we have the values of P, Q and R. These are the three coordinates we got. Now the area of the triangle. So area of the triangle either you find by the coordinate method x1 y1, or easy method would be, since it is a perpendicular now, so we can find from here to here the distance is minus 3 to 1, so I can directly apply half into base into height. So half the base is in this kind of triangle we have is correct. So the base length is minus 3 to 1, so obviously it is the length 4, and the height is here what? 3 units, so I can multiply here directly, half into base into height, 4 3 is 12, this will be 6, so answer is 6, yes. So option B is the correct option, option B is the correct answer. So 6 unit, whatever the unit is given, 6 unit is the answer.